everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This time I will teach you how to animate the hand. Please watch my other Alight Motion tutorials for more information. Step 1. Take a screenshot. Open Gacha Life. Then go to Other and then Hide. The options in here can be used to get the body sheet of the character. Map 1 is the option to get the whole body sheet. Map 2 is the option to get the cape, wings, etc. Head map is to get the head, hair and eyes. Select the option Body Map 1 and take a screenshot. Step 2. Fix the part. Now open a drawing app. I will use IBIS Paint app. Import the screenshot and set it. Then go to Tools, Magic Wand. Select the background and erase it. After setting the parts, duplicate the hand and fix the part. Then cut up and fix the second part. We've separated all the body parts. Step 3. Animating the hand. Open Alight Motion. Import the pictures. There are many animation options. If you tap the location bar, then you get the pivot point. Set the pivot point. Select the hand and add them in a group. Set the pivot point of the new group. Pivot point is important as they are the joint. You can rotate a bit to get it right. Add bookmarks. Then go to Edit Shape. If you are done putting all of it together, you need to add 3 frames to Animate. For example, it won't work if you don't add keyframes. Animate the way you want. Animate the group too. After that, group all of them. Set the pivot point and animate. Learning the basics is the most important thing. If you know how to do it, then you'll easily be able to do it.